Hello everybody, thanks again for tuning in. Today's video is sponsored by PARBLO graphic drawing tablets. I'm gonna do the unboxing and show you guys how I work with the tablet, and finally you will get your own discount code. Alright, here it is. This is the graphic tablet A640. It's actually a very small and tiny tablet, but I think it works just like a big one. I just opened the box and I was like, man, this cover is so beautifully illustrated. Let's have a look inside. Okay, we have a little foam cover to protect the tablet, and here it is. Okay, this drawing tablet is definitely not heavy. I actually like the design of the tablet. It's very straight and black and simplified. And this bracket for the pen is very, very clever. In addition to the style of the tablet, we have these 4 buttons for functionality, and of course the guide in many languages. The cable has a fabric coat around, isn't that neat? And of course we have that USB connection. And here we are, this is the magic pen. We don't need no battery, we have spare nipples, and of course 2 buttons. Okay, the installation of the tablet is very, very easy. I just plug in the USB and the connection to the tablet and run the driver on my computer. To demonstrate you guys how I work with the tablet, I just use a drawing which I did on paper with a pen earlier before. I scanned the picture, so I have a digital version. To show you guys how I work with it, I'm gonna lay some colors down. I think the best place for the tablet is right beside my computer. We just have the buttons of the pen to command and still have the left hand free for some shortcut commands on the keyboard. Usually I use different layers for my drawings, but in this quick demonstration I will show you how I add the colors just in one layer. The buttons of the pen helps you really much to get in that workflow. I think for beginners it's very strange to draw with your hand on the tablet and see with your eyes on the screen of the computer. But you feel much more comfortable if you practice this just a few times. If I should rate this tablet for beginners, I would give him an 8 from 10 points. Please follow me on Instagram to see more art and creativity in my daily stories or in my posts. You will find your discount code for this tablet in the description of my video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.